Alright guys, family. Ulam for tonight. Chicken with pork and beans and red bell pepper. Green. See you later sa taste test.
Oh, what? Really?
Hi family, hi guys. Ito na po ang ating chicken with pork and beans and red and green pepper. Kain na po tayo. Tignan po natin. Ito po yung aking mahiwagang 1 cup red bowl. Yan po. Salukan na po natin. Tignan po natin. Po tayo na isang laman. Tapos po isang balat lang po. Isang red bell pepper. Red and green bell pepper. Yan. Wow. Yan po, family guys. Tikman natin to. Sarap to. Tikman natin breast. Samahan natin ng lagyan natin konting sarsa. Pork and beans. Yum! Yung bell pepper muna po. Chicken. Wow. Ang sarap, family guys. Tama lang po yung alam, yung tamis. Nalalasahan yung tomato sauce at ketchup. Tignan po natin yung may balat. Hindi lang sa fried chicken ang balat, pati sa pork and beef. Ayan po, guys, family. Ayan po, may tumabi po sa atin. Nagutom na rin. Kumain na rin po siya. May kinain siya. Ayun, kanya. Gulay, tsaka kibo. Gusto po niya subukan siya, pero bawal. Wow! Okay, family guys. Ulam for tonight. Chicken, pork, and beans with red and green pepper. Green bell pepper. See you tomorrow for ulam for tonight again. God bless. Hi, family. How are you? Ulam for tonight. Chicken with pork and beans. Pero walang pork to, beans lang. Ito po, paborito po ng ko to. Mother ko po to. Mami Nene. Chicken with pork and beans. Ang ating pong ingredients. Chicken, breast. Tapos may natira pong konting chicken skin na konti lang naman. Para magamit na. And then, of course, the beans, pork and beans. Ayan po, red bell pepper. Masarap po, maraming gulay, red bell pepper. And then, of course, the garlic and onion, pepper, the secret magic syrup, salt, and then tomato sauce. Lagyan natin ng konting UFC ketchup, tsaka dato puti soy sauce. Ayan po, family guys. Ulam for tonight, chicken with pork and beans. See you later. I'll show you pag ginigisa na po, pagluto. Family guys, ito po. I-share na po natin yung chicken. Unahin po natin itong chicken skin. Yun! Saan po yan sinishare? Oh, direct, lagyan ko dyan. Nasaltik po yan guys, family. I-share po natin para masarap. Saan po yung ibang lawan. Masarap po kasi yan, sinishare. Para po lumasa. Ito po, family guys. See you later. Okay. Okay. Hi family. Hi guys. Yung pag-inisin na po natin.
ang bawang sibuyas, na-shear na po yung manok. Tubos na po ni Direk ng konti yung ano natin, dato puti soy sauce. Konti lang po. Yan. Yun. Diba? Yan. Yan, kamuta po, family guys. Halo na natin. Ayan, halo natin. Ayan, asin. Ating secret, the magic syrup. Ayan na po, lagay na po natin yung tomato sauce. Yun. Tapos, ng konting ketchup, lalagay natin direct UFC ketchup para may ibang konting pampalasa. Hey, hey. Yun. Ayan po, family guys. Medyo halu-haluin natin konti. Tapos, ano natin yan. Hindi natin maluto yung tomato sauce siya kaya natin. Alright guys, see you later. Alright. Okay na po, malambot na po yung manok natin, luto na. Lagay na po natin ang ating pork and beans. Pero ito po yung pork and beans na walang pork kasi beans lang. Pahing yung kutsara direct. Yan. Alright. Yan po guys, family. Naglagay na po natin ng pork and beans. Pwede na po natin isabay yung ating red and green pepper because malambot na rin po yung pork and beans. Yum! Wow! Beautiful! Alright guys, family. Ulam for tonight. Chicken with pork and beans and red bell pepper. Green. See you later sa taste test.
Kiss mo ulit.
Ay, ano? Biglang namatay yung ano? Nagfe-flicker ngayon yung
Oo
ilaw.
nga, ilaw.
Kanina pa. Dahil sa hangin siguro.
Hindi, kiss mo ulit si Tok Tok.
Walang ano si ano? Walang kuryente ni Mel.